I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like
You guys, what's up? This is Benjamin speaking from me Petrol Heads. Guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your car AC vents. As you can see that my car AC vents are broken, only the middle one is moving and the rest are not. So let's take our first step. First, remove the panel gently. It has now been removed. Now here you can see that only the middle one is moving and the rest are not. Now I will go into my house and I will tell you how to fix it, what things you shall be needing. So guys, the things you shall be needing are: number 1, a wire. This wire is used in our home wiring to give current to our home appliances. Number 2 is a wire cutter. Number 3 is a nose plier, and number 4 is glue gun. Now moving towards our next step, using nose plier, pull the inner wire out from this wire, hold it from below and pull it gently, it will come out. After pulling out, roll the wire in a cyclic or zigzag form on these hooks. I hope you can see it clearly. Roll the wire on these hooks in a zigzag or cyclic form, and remember, start from a corner. Whether you like to start from this side or this side, it's up to you.
alright. In time, my heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right. It feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying? Without trying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be.
Now, as I told you that you will have to continue in a zigzag form. Now I will put the wire on the back of this hook instead on front, and then I will roll it. First, put your index finger in the middle.
We could be true. We could be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real. Something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel. That we both feel.
Now same process, I will put my index finger on this side, and now I will go on front. I will put the wire on front on this hook.
Ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. shuts the door, it's a losing game. It's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love.
Now as you can see that I made a mistake, I pulled my index finger out. Therefore the space between these vents is not equal. I will put my index finger again and try to divide the space equally. As you can see now that the space is equal now. Same process, roll the wire, put the index finger in middle, and this time I will put the wire on the back of the hook.
And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
The last one,
That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so
now it's complete.
I want you to see that this is a love.
As you can see that I'm moving the middle one and all the vents are moving. Now using a cutter, cut the extra wire. Make sure that the space is equally divided. Now the next step, glue gun. We'll have to apply the glue gun on these hooks. I will apply the glue on the hooks.
Shuts the door, it's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
Now leave it for 5 minutes, and after that we will give it a smooth and final finish. Now I will show you the next one. Same process. Pull the wire using a plier. Start rolling the wire in a zigzag or a circular form on these hooks. Remember to start from a corner.
I want
Make sure to equally divide the space.
someone like you, someone like you.
And at the end,
'Cause I know that
cut the extra wire.
we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see and
Apply the glue using glue gun on the hooks
something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel,
and leave it for 5 minutes.
feel.
On the other side,
And how
give a final finish to this one. Remove the extra glue
without trying, without trying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
and guys, your AC vent is fixed and it's ready. Now let me show you. I'll move the middle one and all are moving perfectly.
That we're meant to be,
To the left, to the extreme right, to the extreme left, middle. Now I will show you its back.
we're meant to be.
Do the same. Let it dry first and do the same process with this one. Give it a final finish, and when it's done, see the result by moving it. That's it, your AC vents are fixed. So guys, I'm back into my car now and I will adjust these vents the way it was before.
Another lot of war. This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all. It makes it all alright. In time. In time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right. It feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to?
So guys, the AC vents are now fixed and they are working right. So guys, be sure to subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video to fellow petrol heads. I'll come back soon as possible with a new video in which I will show you how to change your car into a club. So take care, bye, peace.